Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about determine the molarity of the given HCl solutions by titrating against M by 20 sodium hydroxide. So in this experiment this is the acid base titrations. You also know M by 20 NOS solution how you prepare, because you know the M by 20 NOS solution means 0.05 molar sodium hydroxide solutions. So first you have to prepare sodium hydroxide solutions, and then what you will do, you need to do titrations. So write this equation: HCl equals NOH equals, it give water and sodium chloride. So a known volume of HCl solution was pipetted into a flask and a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Just remember, for this experiment you need phenolphthalein indicator were added. To this was added solution of sodium hydroxide of known concentration through a burette until the solution changed to a pale pink. The molarity of HCl was then calculated based on the volume and molarity of NOH solution and volume of HCl solution used in the titrations. So what you will do, you just write these equations and then do the experimental procedures. So you write HCl unknown, you don't know HCl, and volume of HCl solution used in each titration 25 ml. This volume you know because you will take the unknown volume, so this volume you know, and concentration of NOH solutions in your case 0.05 या M by 20, because M by 20 you take here M by 20. So trial 1, 2, 3 trial you will take. Final burette reading or initial burette reading. In burette you have sodium hydroxide and you have in your linear flask 25 ml unknown HCl. You don't know the HCl solution. So volume of NaOH solution used, you see 35, 35, 35, and color at in point pale pink, bright pink, pale pink, pale pink. So take the average. So now you know the two volume, this volume and this volume. Two volume, you know the concentration in given M by 20 in your exams, M by 20 NOH. So you know the 0.05 molar solution. So if you know the one molarity and two volume, you will calculate the molarity of unknown solutions. So not need to do these things. Then calculate error in average molarity. So this one is also leave it. So friends, you just write in your notebook like that. Okay. Standard deviations you have to calculate this one. If you see this formula, sigma is equal to this is, so whatever the value is coming, you just put it there and then you calculate the standard deviations if you need. But only important things you have to write is your two volume and one molarity. You already know, you have to calculate the molarity of second. Then you have to calculate the strength. So strength, you know, if you know the molarity of this unknown HCl, just multiply it with the molecular weight, then you will get the strength of hydrochloric acid. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.